Hello everyone, good evening. How are you all? Am I audible to you all? Yes, no, can I get something? Yeah. So, any doubts regarding the sessions we had the two previous days? I think it was on Monday and Wednesday, right? Did you all explore the topics whichever we have discussed on those days? It's an Ask Me Anything session. If you are having any doubts regarding any of the concept, we'll discuss now. Yes, Hariom, you can ping me through the Q&A. Chat is disabled by our team. If you have any queries, you can ask me through Q&A section. Is that okay? Yes, Tanmay, I'll be asking to my team. They'll be sharing you regarding that. Yes. I think Monday we'll be having a session, right? So on that day, we'll give you clarity regarding your sample certificate, whether they'll provide you or not. Vijay Kumar, actually, this is not an like this course is easy. Please understand the things which we are telling to you. Explore things so it will be easier for you. Don't feel it is as a difficult course. Machine learning means what we have all discussed it, right? Types of learning, what all packages we'll be having, and all. It will be easier, don't worry. Okay? That Hariom, like that you are going to build in further classes, you will be getting to know everything. Don't worry about that. After completion of the teaching part, you need to build a project, as we have like discussed it on the first day itself, right? Yeah, dear. No, no, it won't take a 50 hours of time to complete. It's okay. Whatever the things we have discussed on that day, take time and revise in this on the same day itself. Don't feel it difficult. If you feel it difficult, it might like takes time for you to complete. Regarding this, I'll get to like will be giving a clarity on you for on Monday session. Is that okay? Most probably they'll be giving you because you are doing an internship course, right? Don't worry regarding that. Why the strength has very low, like only 26 students has joined. So no doubts related to any of the concepts whichever we have discussed in the previous 2 days session on Monday and Thursday or Wednesday, I think. No doubts for now. So did you all explore pandas, NumPy, libraries? No. Why? Why no? Why didn't you explore? It's a part of your self-based running, right? You need to do it, right? Explore. Yeah, good, Naresh. Okay. It's okay, fine. So up till now, you are all clear with every concept. You all got to know what is machine learning, what is data science. In machine learning, what is the main motto, what happens in machine learning and all. First thing, the skill you require is Python basics. You all are from which years? Like, I might be you all are studying undergraduation. So, okay, that's nice to hear. See, Vijay, for the building those models only, you need these, you need these all libraries, okay? So without these are the basic things to get into that. Yeah, obviously, GitHub, how to use Git collab is going to teach, but you can't get into the advanced things before knowing the basics, right? So these are the basic things for everything. Like to build any ML model, you need to know NumPy, pandas, and all. Great, Subhanshu. Yes, Saurabh. Like to add skills in your resume, you need to add the things like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, classification algorithms, regression algorithms, and we have these visualization libraries, like right? Matplotlib, Seaborn. So you need to be very thorough with these. These all we are going to discuss in the coming classes. 1 second, guys. Someone is asking something, how to stand out of all of them. Yeah. See, so first thing, data science is a big pool. Inside that, we are having machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. Now the big boom has came, which is AI agents. So to be unique from all of them, you need to explore more, right? So before, like from the basic we need to start. So machine learning is the basic one. After machine learning you should go into deep learning. After deep learning you need to go through NLP, more transformers, so many concepts will be. Later, after getting into all those topics, you can get into generative AI. You all know what is generative AI. Generating something new is generative AI. So ChatGPT is doing the same thing, right? You can build models, new models on them. So this is the procedure. So before getting into this generative AI, you need to know all these things which are above on that. Is that clear? Yeah, Vijay, sure, for sure. Sudhanshu, like you need to showcase that what all projects you have experienced, what all things you did in your resume properly, so that it might help you while giving your interviews or else selection of your interviews. Obviously, this internship experience will be helpful for you. Why not? You're going to learn something here, right? That is going to be in the upcoming days. No, it's not difficult. It's easy only. Please don't call it difficult. Everything easy. If you feel that easier, it will be easier. That's it. Before that, I want all of you to fill a Google form, which is a session feedback. I'm sharing it to you all through this, through the Q&A section. Please fill this Google form, feedback form. I want everyone to fill the session feedback form. I'm sharing it to you all. Once confirm me whether you have received or not. Yeah, I have shared it to you all in the Q&A section. I hope everyone received this, or else shall I share with you again? I hope everyone is filling the form. Please do that. 29 strength is present in the session. So I need 29 responses from you all. Once it is done, respond something with a thumb or else done message in the Q&A. That's good. Yes, Sudhanshu, I can't tell that because it won't completely remove your tag from no experience. Because yeah, this like it is completely different. When you work, when you go somewhere in the company and work there, then the tag will be removed. The tag will be removed when you do a full-time role. Okay. Utilize the resources properly and get into a good job. I hope everyone has filled the Google form. Is that done by everyone or not? I need a confirmation. If you need, like, I need to share it once again. I'm sharing you guys in the chat. Please, whoever has joined lately, do it quickly. Yeah, this is going to add as an internship experience for you. You can showcase in that way. Any more doubts? If you have any doubts regarding anything, ping me. We'll discuss with all. What technology track? You keep it as machine learning, like you're learning it. You are learning machine learning, right? Which project to choose? That is like up to you. Whichever thing you are interested in, you can choose that project. Out of the projects list, they will be mentioning to you. Out of that, one should be chosen. As you have said, you have already previous experience in doing projects, right? You might be knowing which project will be difficult and all. So doing the difficult things only will get good lessons, right? According to that, you choose whichever project you are interested in. No issues with that. Yeah, that will be starting after the teaching classes of concepts. We need to get thorough with all the concepts and all, right? After that, you are going to start with your project work. It's an individual project. You should do it by yourself. Is that clear, Jayant? Any more doubts? I'm reminding once more again, fill the feedback form, and also if any doubts, ask me, we'll discuss. So from which colleges you all from, like everyone is from same college? No, no, nothing like that. We'll be helping you while doing the project. I'm your mentor, right? I'm going to help you. That's great, Kavya Anjali. So you are clear with everything. Whatever the things we are telling you to learn in the self-based learning, please go get a thorough with that. If you waste time now, later it might feel you difficult because all things get at a time. Project session is going to start after the teachables complete, like after the teaching sessions, project is going to start. So okay, I'm you all might have explored something regarding NumPy, right? So I'm going to ask questions now. You are all ready to answer? Okay, Kavyanjali, like I didn't get your point. You're speaking good, like your sentences are good. What's the issue in that? If you don't complete the project, then you're not going to get the certificate. You must complete it, right? Yes, Vijay, like you have selected properly because once after you enroll, you can't change your project. Yes, Gautam, this is Ama session, which is Ask Me Anything. So if you have any doubts regarding any concept, you can ask. We'll clarify that. Sanurag will be discussing about how to do the project and all in the further classes. Don't worry regarding that. You'll get a clarity about everything. Yeah, we are discussing accordingly to our plan only, right? No, you can contact through the Telegram group. Post a message in the group. Telegram group is having, right? So I was discussing about something like questions, right? So you all are ready to answer? Not in the Telegram group, Jayant. Okay. I'm sharing the group link again in the chat. Please join in the group. Whoever has not joined in the group, I hope you all have received that. I hope everyone received. Has not joined in the Telegram group, please join. So if you have any doubts regarding anything, you can post a message there. We don't have any specific WhatsApp group for discussing doubts and all. Yeah, who has joined already, that is fine. What login credentials? You didn't receive. Not received, once contact with the team, they'll let you know. Abhishek. I hope everyone's is clear with everything. So you said you have explored something, right? I'm going to test that. Can someone tell how to create an NumPy array? How to create a NumPy array? We have discussed it. What is NumPy? What is list? How to create an NumPy array and all. Great, great. Mhm. So, okay. You are all like posting a message like np dot array, right? In that, what is mean by np? What is that np name census like? What's the meaning of that? great. Alias of NumPy, correct. Yes. So why do we use this NumPy in machine learning? Do we use this NumPy in machine learning? No answer for that from anyone? Yes, for mathematical calculation. Okay. Only with 1D arrays? NumPy can only create 1D arrays? Samrat, you are right. For multi-dimensional arrays. So that data is going to be very huge, right? Okay. We have discussed about list and NumPy array, right? So what the main difference between list and NumPy array? Why can't we use list instead of NumPy array? Lists are slow. Okay. NumPy faster. Good. So can you list me out any, like, you have explored it, right? Some functions present in NumPy library. Hmm. See, in strings, we'll be having string methods, right? Uppercase, lowercase, and all. In that way, do we have any such type of functions in this? Yes, correct, Harita. You're telling right. Shape, resize, and all. These are such type of functions we have. So if you give print array dot shape, it is going to return the shape of that array. You give array dot d type, it is going to return us the data type. In that way, we have many functions: reshape, size, np dot zeros. So if you give np dot zeros, it is going to return zero matrix. Sorry for the phone call. I got a phone call. Okay. Which programming language is most problem? Yeah. First thing, according to the stream, you can choose like for the data science, machine learning, and AI, Python is good to go. Either you can learn Java also. See, programming language is just a language. Like now I'm talking to you all in English, right? So in the same way, the same thing can be delivered in other language also. There, programming language is an interface to write the answer for any question, right? Building the logic, like how we are going to attempt that question with less time complexity, space complexity. In that way, that should be important. Switching from one language to other language, no issues. Like you can switch, no worries. But please work on building the logics. I mean, solve many questions, learn DSA and all. Ah, yeah, wherever you go, DSA is important for high pay roles because they are going to test your logical thinking, and DSA will showcase your patience levels, right? So how many different ways you are thinking, that is going to showcase through DSA, and it improves your logical thinking, analytical thinking and all. So it is very much important for everyone to learn. If you know that, right, you can answer everything, so that will be easier for you. DA, that is up to you. You need to choose that. And which language you want to do. I hope is that clear. Yes, if you want to get into data analyst role, first thing you need to learn business intelligence tools, Power BI, Tableau, SQL, MySQL, and all. So these are the things Yes, hello everyone. Am I audible? Sorry for the disturbance caused by me, due to the power issues, it got disconnected. Is anyone present in the session? Yeah. Okay. So I hope no one has any doubts, right? Okay. So the session has ended. Like you can, if no doubts, we'll end the session. Thank you for joining. Bye. Yes, you can leave the session if no doubts. If any doubts, ask me, we'll clarify. Okay, bye.